Hello, class 12th student. Today again I am going to start chapter 6. Topic is aggregate demand and related concept. This is part 9. In this video we are going to discuss about numerical questions. Okay? So before attempting numerical question we require to know about the formula. So these are the formula that you are going to make the use in this video, whatever question I'm going to attempt here. Okay, now let me discuss all these equations. So first equation is given, y is equal to c plus s. It's mean that whenever we get the income, it is consumed, otherwise it is saved. Okay, so that is why whenever you want to know about the income of a family, you have to make the sum total of consumption, expenditure and saving. Okay, next is given AD is equal to C plus I. So it is related to two sector model. Okay student, now the third equation is given, AS yani aggregate supply is sum total of C plus S. Okay, remember Y means what? Y means national income, and national income and aggregate supply both are the same thing. So that is why you can see कि in both equation the same thing is given, C plus S. Okay, now next is given APC. So APC, how we are going to calculate APC? C upon Y. And there is one more way we can calculate APC by subtracting APS from 1. How we derive with this equation? So I'm going to explain it. Okay, you know now APC plus APS is equal to 1. Okay, now if suppose the value of APC is given and the value of APS is given and you want to find out the value of APC, so how we can get? So it will be APC is equal to 1 minus APS. So this is written here. Okay student, now next is given APS. So APS means S upon Y, and we can use we can calculate APS by using this equation also, 1 minus APC. So how it is derived? It is derived from this equation. Okay, now this is the main equation. Okay, now suppose APS is you have to find out. So how you will find out it? So we know ki APC plus APS is equal to 1. Now we want to find out this value. So APS is equal to 1 minus APC. So both these equation has been derived from this equation. Okay student, now after that here is given MPS. Okay student, here is given MPS. So whenever you find M, M stand for delta. Okay, remember, and C stand for consumption and S stand for saving. Okay student, so in this way MPC yani ki M stand for delta, C stand for consumption, so delta C upon delta Y. And there is one more way we can find out the value of MPC, 1 minus MPS. So how it is derived? So we know that MPC is here will be plus. Okay, so MPC plus MPS is equal to 1. Okay, now we want to calculate the value of MPC. So MPC become equal to 1 minus MPS. So in this way this equation has been derived. Okay, now next is given MPS. So MPS, M stand for delta, S stand for saving. So delta saving upon delta Y we can calculate by this equation also. Again this equation has been derived from this one equation. Okay student, how? Now MP as we want to find out, so obviously we are going to derive from this equation, so it become 1 minus MPC. Okay, so next is about the saving consumption curve and saving function and saving function and consumption function. Okay, so here C bar is equal to autonomous consumption. Okay, so it stands for autonomous consumption. Now B stand for marginal propensity to save. Okay, and Y stand for national income. Y stand for national income. Okay student, after that here is given saving function minus C bar plus 1 minus BY. Okay, so minus C bar is equal to this saving is equal to this saving. Okay student, and 1 minus B means what? MPC. Okay, and Y is income. Okay, one thing you have to keep in mind, always remember these things, कि minus C bar is always equal to C bar. Remember this point. Okay, why both are equal to each other? क्योंकि जितन C बार किसको डिनोट करता है? ऑटोनमस कंजप्शन को. वो क्या बताता है कि वो जो when our income is zero, whatever expenditure is done on the zero level of income, that is considered as a autonomous consumption. autonomous consumption का बेस क्या होता है? डिस सेविंग. इसीलिए autonomous consumption और डिस सेविंग एक दूसरे के इक्वल होते हैं. तो रिमेंबर दिस पॉइंट. ओके, लेट वी स्टार्ट टू अटेम्प्ट क्वेश्चन. नाउ first question is given, calculate APC and APS from the following schedule. Okay student, so here what is the equation of APC? What is the equation of APC? So APC is equal to C upon Y. So how we are going to calculate? It is directly we can calculate. Okay student, we can directly calculate it. So APC is equal to C upon Y. Okay, so what is consumption? 80. So 80 upon 100. Now when we divide it, we get 0.8. Okay, now next consumption is 120 and income is 200. So when we divide, so 2 6 ja 12, 2 10 ja 20. So when we further divide, to it will be 0.6. Okay, now next consumption is 180. So 180 upon 300. Okay student, 0 0 cancel, or 3 6 ja 18 and 3 10 ja 30. So now again when we divide it, so we get 0.6. So in this way we are able to calculate APC. Okay, now how we are going to calculate APS? So APS, the equation of APS, APS, how we are going to calculate APS? APS is equal to S upon Y. So first of all we require to find out the value of S, because the value of S is not given here. So how we are going to calculate? We know Y is equal to C plus S. So S is equal to Y minus C. So this formula we are going to use for getting saving. Okay, so saving is equal to Y minus C. Okay, So 100 minus 80, 20. Okay, student. Then we are going to subtract 200 minus 1. 200 minus 120. So what we are going to get? We are going to get 80. Okay. And then we are going to subtract 300 minus 180. So it will be 0, 2, 1, 120. Okay. Now we are having the value of saving. So now we are able to calculate the value of APS, that is S upon Y. Okay. So it will be 20 upon 100. So when we divide it, we get 0.2. Okay. Next is 80 upon 200. So 0 0 cancel, 2 4 ja 8, 2 10 ja 20. So when we further divide, so it will be 0.4. Okay. Next is 120 upon 300. 0 0 cancel, 3 4 ja 12 or 3 10 ja 30. So further when we divide, so we get 0.4. Okay. So in this way APC and APS both are calculated. Here I had done it in proper manner. Okay. So first of all, how we are able to calculate APC? C upon Y, C already given. So 80 upon 100, 120 upon 200, 180 upon 300. Okay. Now when we want to calculate APS, so first of all we needed to get the value of saving. So how we get the value of saving? Y minus C. Okay, student. So 100 minus 80, 200 minus 120 and 300 minus 180. In this way we get the value of saving. And now saving is divided by income, and in this way we get the value of APS. Okay. Now next question is find out the value of APC and APS. So same way we have to do. Okay. So let me check it. First of all, we are going to calculate the value of APC. So it is directly 60 upon 100. So 0.6. Then 120 upon 400. So when we divide, we get 0.3. Okay. Now 240 upon 1000. So when we divide it, we get 0.24. Okay. Now question is to find out APS. Okay, student. So APS, for APS, what is the equation of average propensity to save? Saving upon income. Saving is divided by income. Okay. So saving is not given in the question. So first of all we require to find out saving. So how we are going to calculate saving? Y minus C. So 100 minus 60, 40. 400 minus 120, 280. 1000 minus 240, 760. So we get the value of saving. Now directly we are going to divide this with income. So 40 upon 100, 0.4. 280 upon 400, so 0.7. 760 upon 1000, so 0.76. Okay, there is one more method to calculate APS. In the beginning I had told you now, there is this equation also, you can use it, 1 minus APC. So you don't require to find out saving. So 1 minus 0.6, ये APS की वैल्यू है. APS की वैल्यू को जो हम 1 से सब्सट्रैक्ट कर देंगे तो हमें APS की वैल्यू मिल जाएगी. ठीक है. So how much APC is? When income is 100, so value of APC is 0.6. So when we divide from 1, we get 0.4. Okay. Now when income is 400, what is the value of APC? 0.3. So when we subtract 0.3 from 1, we get 0.7. Okay. Next is when income is 1000, so what is our average propensity to consume? 0.24. So when we subtract 0.24 from 1, we get 0.76. So in this way you can calculate. Okay. Next is complete the following table, and this question has been asked in your board examination 2005. Okay, student. Now in this question we have to calculate what we had to calculate MPC or MPS. Okay, already I had told you कि M stand for additional. M stand for additional. Okay student, और keep in mind M मतलब M means delta. Okay, M means what? M means delta. So here what is written? MPC. So it's mean delta and C is given है, तो C delta C upon delta Y. This is the equation of MPC. Okay, now if we talk about MPS, so M means delta और S for saving, तो delta saving upon delta Y. So for using this equation we are going to calculate the value of MPC and MPS. Okay, one thing here, consumption delta consumption is not given, del C is not given, only C is given. So first of all we require to find out del C del Y. Okay, so let me understand it how we are going to do. Okay, here you can see कि income is given. Now we require to find out delta Y. So delta Y means present income minus previous income. So for first one we don't calculate. For the second, when income is 500, so we are going to subtract 500 present income to previous income. तो previous income क्या है? 400. So when we subtract we get 100. Okay student, here now present income is 600, previous income is 500, then we get delta Y. Okay, this is what? This is delta Y. Now present income is 700, previous is 600, when we subtract we get 100. Okay, this column is of income, this column is of income, this column is for consumption. Okay, now we require to find out delta consumption. तो for first one we cannot calculate क्योंकि ये क्या है? present minus previous, तो पहले वाले को हम calculate नहीं कर सकते, तो डैश कर देंगे. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड लेवल पे आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे what is the value of consumption? 330 and previous consumption 240. तो when we subtract we get the value 80. Okay, now when income is 600 तो consumption हो गया 395 और previous consumption कितना है? 320. तो when we subtract we get 75. Okay, now when our national income is 700, that time consumption is 465 and previous consumption is what? 395. So when we subtract we get 70. So in this way here we are able to get delta Y and this is what? Delta C. So for getting MPC we are going to divide delta C upon delta Y. So this is the equation of MPC. So here that is done. In this way we are able to calculate the value of MPC. Now this is time to calculate MPS. Okay, so when we know the value of MPC we can calculate the value of MPS. Which formula we are going to use? MPS is equal to 1 minus MPC. Okay, so 1 minus 0.8, 0.2, 1 minus 0.75, 0.25, 1 minus 0.70, तो 0.30. Okay student, so in this way this question has been attempted. Now next is explain. Next is using the equation of consumption function, that is C is equal to C bar plus BY, calculate consumption expenditure at the income level of 500 crore if autonomous consumption is 40 crore and 40% of additional income is saved. Okay, so इस question में क्या है कि C is equal to C bar plus BY. Okay, so this is given. Next is given कि you have to find out what? Consumption expenditure. तो C आपको find out करना है. What is given in the question? Level of income, यानी Y is equal to 500 crore. Okay, autonomous consumption यानी C bar, the value of C bar is given 40 crore. Okay, next is given कि 40% additional income saved. तो save, additional means what? I had told you ना, additional means marginal. Additional का मतलब हमेशा क्या होता है बेटा? Marginal होता है. तो और सेव्ड मतलब एस, यानी वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट MPS. सो वैल्यू ऑफ MPS इज गिवन व्हाट, द वैल्यू ऑफ MPS इज गिवन 40%. तो व्हेन वी आर गोइंग टू राइट इन डेसिमल इट विल बी 0.4. 40% मतलब अगर हम 1 का 40% निकालेंगे कि 1 का 40% क्या होगा, तो इट विल बी 0.4. ओके, सो दैट इज रिटन हियर. नाउ we are going to calculate all these things. Okay, so here in the question y is given 500, autonomous consumption given rupees 40, and MPS is given 0.4. Okay, what is question is to find out the value of consumption expenditure. Okay, consumption equation for consumption expenditure is what? C is equal to C bar plus BY. Okay, C bar is given 40 crore, Y is given 500 crore. What we don't know, that is MPC. So here I had written B stand for MPC, and that's value is not given in the question. So how we are going to calculate the value of MPC? By using this equation. Okay, MPC is equal to 1 minus MPS. The value of MPS we are having, that is 0.4. So when we subtract 0.4 from 1, what we get? We get 0.6. Now we are having all value. So we are going to put it and we are going to calculate. So in this way the answer is 340 crore. Okay. Next question. The saving crore of an economy makes a negative intercept of rupees 50 crore and 20% additional income is saved. Additional means what? We are talking about M. Okay, and saved का मतलब S. तो we are talking about MPS. MPS क्या है? 20%. So जब 1 का हम परसेंट निकालेंगे, 1 का 20%, तो it will be 0.2. So यानी MPS, the value of MPS is given 0.2. Okay, यहाँ पे बोल रहे हैं कि नेगेटिव इंटरसेप्ट है. ओके, नेगेटिव इंटरसेप्ट का टॉकिंग अबाउट डिस सेविंग. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट डिस सेविंग. ओके, सो डिस सेविंग यानी कि हियर इट इज़ गिवन माइनस सी बार. माइनस सी बार की वैल्यू क्या है? 50 करोड़. सो आई हैड टोल्ड यू ना कि माइनस सी बार इज ऑलवेज इक्वल टू सी. रिमेंबर दिस. तो इन दिस वे द वैल्यू ऑफ सी बार इज इक्वल टू 50. ओके, सो यहाँ पे क्या बोला जा रहा है? derive saving and consumption function. So now we are able to derive the saving and consumption function. So this much is given in your question. Now how we are going to write the saving consumption function? C is equal to C bar plus BY. तो ये होता है आपका consumption function का equation. Now we are going to put the value. So C bar is what? 50. Okay. Value of B, तो MPS is 0.8, तो we can find out the value of MPC जो कि होगा 1 minus MPS. So जब हम 1 में से subtract करेंगे 0.2, so we get 0.8. तो this is the value of MPC. Okay student, so we are going to write here 0.8 or y is not given here, so we will write in bracket. So this is your answer for consumption function. Now saving function. Okay, how we are going to derive the saving function? Okay, so for saving function stand for S is equal to minus C bar plus 1 minus B y. So this is the equation of saving function. Now minus C bar is given 50. Okay, here. So we will write here 50. 1 minus B यानी MPS. 1 minus B stand for MPS. So it is given 0.2. Or Y is not given, so we are going to write in bracket. So this is your answer of this question. Okay, how you are going to attempt it? So in this way. Okay, in the question, autonomous consumption is given. Okay, 50 crore. MPS is given 0.2. So saving function in this way, this it is, and this is your consumption function. Okay, now With the help of the saving function, that is -20 plus 0.3y, calculate consumption expenditure and income level of 100 crore. Okay, how we are going to attempt this question? So here is question about, you have to find out the value of consumption. Okay, and what is given here? Income. Y is equal to 1000 crore. So this is given. Now consumption fund, saving function is given. Now saving function is given -20 plus 0.3y. So first of all we derived consumption function. Okay, I had told you ना माइनस सी बार इज इक्वल टू सी बार. तो जब कंजप्शन फंक्शन हम लिखते हैं तो क्या लिखते हैं? सी बार प्लस बी वाई. ओके स्टूडेंट, सो इन दिस वे माइनस सी बार इज गिवन 20 -20, तो सी क्या हो जाएगा आपका 20. ओके, नाउ इन द क्वेश्चन दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज योर एम पी एस, और 1 से इसको सब्सट्रैक्ट करोगे तो एम पी सी की वैल्यू क्या आ जाएगी? 0.7. ओके, सो दैट वी आर गोइंग टू राइट हियर. सो इट विल बी 20, b विल बी 0.7 क्योंकि इसको हमने सब्सट्रैक्ट किया है, और y इज गिवन 1000. तो वी आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट बाय दिस इक्वेशन. लेट वी अंडरस्टैंड इन अ प्रॉपर मैनर. सो हियर in the question given, what is given in the question? First of all saving function, that is given -20 plus 0.3y. तो -20 क्या है आपका? ऑटोनमस. -20 आपका डिस सेविंग है, और डिस सेविंग और ऑटोनमस दोनों एक दूसरे के इक्वल होते हैं, यानी कि आपका सी बार क्या होगा? 20. ओके, 0.3 क्या है यहाँ पे? MPS, और हमें क्या चाहिए? MPC. सो MPC का इक्वेशन क्या होता है? 1 माइनस MPS. तो इसको हम सब्सट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो 0.7 मिल जाएगा. ओके, लेट वी अंडरस्टैंड इट. सो हियर आई हैड कैलकुलेटेड द वैल्यू ऑफ MPC. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन? MPC is equal to 1 minus MPS. So this equation has been used here. Okay, one thing, C is equal to minus C bar. C bar is equal to minus C bar, and this is stand for minus C bar. So this, the value will be 20. Okay, and this is the equation for consumption expenditure. So minus C bar is -20, तो C bar become 20. तो 20, और MPS is given 0.3, so value of MPC is what? 0.7, that we are going to write here. Income is given in the question 1000. Now in this way we get the value of consumption, that is 720. Okay, now it is your homework. You have to do these 3 questions yourself in the next video. First of all I am going to discuss the answer of these question. Okay, I am giving you some hint how to attempt this question. Okay, in this question what you have to find out? MPC and MPS. Okay, M means delta, so delta C upon delta Y, this will be equation for this MPC. For MPS, delta S upon delta Y. So delta C, delta Y is not here given. First of all you calculate delta Y. How you calculate? Present income माइनस प्रीवियस इनकम, यानी कि 400 माइनस 300. ओके, यहाँ फर्स्ट वाला डैश हो जाएगा, नेक्स्ट में आप क्या करने वाले हो? 400 माइनस 300, यानी कि 100. ओके, नाउ डेल्टा सी, हाउ यू विल कैलकुलेट? तो प्रेजेंट कंजप्शन माइनस प्रीवियस कंजप्शन. ओके, सो फर्स्ट वन विल बी डैश, सेकेंड में कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? 375 माइनस 300. ओके, and after that you will calculate. So same way you are going to attempt this question also, and this is one additional question, that here you have to, first of all you needed to require to find saving function, then determine the saving at the income level of 500. At what level of income saving become 0? So this is your homework. Okay student, for today this much only. Thank you.